Okay guys, so here we are with another protocol. This time something quite cool. Uh, Something that allows you to become your own investment fund. Take someone's funds, uh, either your client or investors, and invest them in DeFi protocols. Pretty cool if you ask me. So let's see what this Enzyme.finance tells us. You can certainly have a look into their FAQ and learn everything, but I'll go straight to the point. Let's click on launch app, and you can decide to be on Ethereum or Polygon. Me, I'll pick Polygon, cheaper in gas fees. So let's see what we have here. You will already see I have created a vault. So what exactly is a vault? You can create a vault like these people have created here, and your vault has some sort of shares value. So let's see here, the share price is $2,000, then it increased to 55,000, and so on and so forward. So you can deposit, click on deposit, and decide to deposit whatever you want, Wrapped Ether, Matic, USDC, depending on what you have in your wallet. They may have some lockup time, and you have to agree to all these terms and conditions and everything. And once you invest and you'll add liquidity to the vault, you'll have some shares as well. So depending on what the manager of this vault is doing, and we can see here more informations. Who this guy is, an NFT and DeFi degen who turned 100 investment into a 7-figure net worth in under 2 years. Difficult to believe? Yes. Possible? Well, everything is possible with degen, so let's not forget that. You also have his contact details if you want to speak with them directly and whatever, and we can see what they are trying to do: arbitrage, multi-strategy, and yield farming. So assuming you deposited, you can see what they have in their portfolio already, if they have anything interesting. I mean, this is a pretty small vault, maybe not the best one to look at, but you can understand that you can look at return to month and see how much money people are making and what's the share value and everything. So let's move forward. Let's pick another one perhaps. Let's pick from the largest one. This one has assets under management 425,000. Maybe that's more interesting, but I think this one is a bad case. Yes, so you can see the share value of this vault going down, which means it's not performing quite well. They have a lot of funds under management, but on average they've been losing money. So they are using, they are telling you what they are doing during different periods of times. Their portfolio has plenty of Bitcoin and Uniswap version 3 holdings. That's quite interesting, because most people don't make money on Uniswap v3, but these guys, they seem to have added, so it's quite an interesting stuff. So let's see forward. What we have is I have created my own vault. You can also do that by going on the top and clicking here, create vault, and then you can choose which type of vault you want, like some sort of DAO style, a hybrid vault where ideally you are doxed to your investors, because it means you can take funds out of the vault, and it's only recommended if you are a trusted manager, not someone else. So you can see here different fees like management fee, performance fee, entrance fee, whatever you want, exit fees, all this kind of stuff available by each one of them. You will see that the smart contracts are audited as well. You can look into their technical experts. And anyway, so now let's see the vault I have created. I have already deposited it's actually, I deposited 2 USDC from what I know. I deposited 2 USDC or something like that, and then converted it to Matic. That's because as a manager of the funds, I can click here trade, and I can swap whatever I have in the vault that users committed in anything I want, which is quite cool. That's real management, if you ask me. So let's go back to my vault here and see what other things we can see. I mean, we've got the portfolio, we've got the financials. We see so far, despite having only a stablecoin and Matic, I'm already positive in terms of profit. Fees here, if I you know, I've added my own fees and what is to be done here. Policies, nothing quite interesting here. We can see the manager on chain, and we can see how many shares he has. Here you can see what every share by every user and whatever they have, and then any activity that has been done. So by activity, I mean we can use Uniswap version 3 and add liquidity there. We can stake to, for example, if we were on Ethereum, we could stake maybe to Aave or somewhere else. We also have yield markets. For example, here we have Aave Wrapmatic, where I will need to swap to and get Aave Wrapmatic by clicking deposits, and I invest for this amount of APY, which is quite interesting. So again, if you are planning on running your own investment fund, I believe this is the best place to start, because it lets you actually start some sort of vault that you can get funds and then show the performance to your investors.